Hi Agentblazers, as we completed challenge 1, 2 and 3. So today we are going to cover challenge 4, which is under the Agentforce 360 League 2026, related to the Slack, where we are going to be connect our Salesforce with the Slack and working agent via the Slack. So let's start by clicking on the button open challenge. Okay, so here we can see the challenge for detail. Under the step 1, it usually have a session recording by which we can go through and understand what they are going to be asked us to do and what they have shown us as a learning perspective. And step 2 are just the org detail. We have to be sign up another org for this challenge because there could be a special configuration. So let's start. Fill the detail to get the org detail. Okay, once we have org detail, we can start our challenge by following the instruction defined under the step 3. So these are the general instruction what we are going to be do. So we are going to be work with the automotive cloud where we will be using Slack for adapting the Agentforce and work with that detail and performing the task. So let's begin the challenge by going through with the process. The app we need to be review that record, and this is something we can go and drive the detail. So I don't think we need to do something else. Only the thing we need to make sure all changes are deployed to the org. Did they share something to be repository or not? I don't think so. Let's go and review and work with the detail. Let's log in into the org. Yes, so we need to be go to the application. Yes, we can see the app. That means we are on the org, correct org. Then we need to be go to the vehicle tab and to see the vehicle detail. Vehicle tab, all vehicle. Yes, we are able to see the detail as well. And under that, we need to be make sure we can click honor. Okay, honor. Yes. Okay, we have already opened up that honor record. Then contact with content drivers, service appointment and work order. Okay. So we need to see, yes, service appointment they have, vehicle they have, work orders, yes, correct. Okay, so let's go and work with the story. Okay, so the first task is we need to be set up the Slack Sandbox. For that we need to be click on the link, then we need to click the join program, submit some basic detail, then we'll receive an email. We need to activate our program by accepting term and condition, and once we are in, we just need to be go to the dashboard. So we just need to be visit the page and we need to click on the join program, which will open up another form where we just need to be fill out our detail. And after we have fill up the detail, we just need to be click term and condition and submit that page. And once this is being submitted, we are going to be redirect on the success page where they are just saying, okay, thanks for signing up. We have sent you the email to start the developer program. So let's click on that to start. So let's close these and let's go and configure the Slack developer account. Okay. So after confirming the Slack, let's open up the page. What we are going to be see, which is like this, where we just need to be click on get started and let's follow the instruction what they have maintained in the document. So we to provision the sandbox, we need to click on the sandbox and then allow the provision sandbox and then copy this and create this sandbox, configure the username, password and verify. So let's do it. Manage sandboxes, provision sandbox, what they said. Okay, provision sandbox with event code. Then have a sandbox name, I would say Agent 360 CH4. Okay, event code, empty sandbox is fine. And sandbox domain. So I think yes, I can keep the same. And then just start the provisioning sandbox. So once it is configured, we just need to be click on this. So once we are on this page, we just need to be fill up our login details and we just need to be click on sign up button. So let's do it. After signing up, we are going to be see like this screen where we just need to be fill up our authentication code which we have received over the email via the Slack team. So we just need to be click and fill up the detail, and here we just need to be say yes, I agree, and proceed. And we just need to be click on the button to launch the Slack into the browser. And yeah, we can see we have configured our Slack and we are able to access the Slack as per the instruction. So let's close other stuff. I would keep this. Yes, so the step 1 is done. Let's proceed with the task 2. We need to connect the Salesforce with the Slack. So we need to install the package. So let's copy this link and go to the browser or paste it. Will it take? No. So what we can do, we can just replace the URL and hitting the browser. It will allow us to open up and allow us to install the package. So let's see what they are saying. We need to be install the package for all the users. So let's do it. Okay, so we need to click on install for all user and check the box to allow Salesforce to install the package, and we can see the details in the setup. Does package has been installed or not, or installation has been started or not. So we can go to this deployment status. Here we can see that deployment has been started, and let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, meanwhile what we can do, we can go to the Slack and request the Salesforce connection through the organization details. So we just need to go to the Slack and go to the drop down, click on the tools and organization setting, workspace setting, where we just need to be select the workspace and open it. So once this is open, we will be able to see some configuration like Slack Connect. Okay, not this, where we can see, let's go. So they are saying, okay, manage Salesforce organization. Sorry, my bad. So we just need to be go it here, click on this tools and setting and manage Salesforce organization. So now we will be able to see and allow us to connect the Salesforce. So we just need to be follow the instruction. I would like to be use this again as a good thing, Google split view, which will help us to save our time. So click on connect Salesforce, then we just need to be define the org URL, which I can copy and paste it from here. Here we can see package has been installed. So we can close this, and then we need to toggle off auto mapping, and this is also is fine. Let's request connection, which will show up a pop-up similar to that. That is fine. Then we go to the Salesforce setup platforms, manage Slack connection, and we just need to be allow it by approve the request. Okay, then again we need to back to this. So I would keep this and going to the setup, searching Slack connections. Okay, it is not yeah, it is showing, and we can see the request has been came into the system, and then just click and approve. By clicking this button, sometime it gets delay because we don't have any such spinner and all, so we need to be wait few seconds. See, it automatically went away. That means it is being configured. Now we need to go to Slack admin to configure the next step. So we need to go to Slack connection again, click on organization name, manage org and all, then connection status. You can click on this, the org, and here we can see we just need to go to this and activate, and it will ask us active the connection. Yes, we can active the connection. So once it is there, we just need to click on this and click on the user tab and add user one by one, which they said add only your name, select them. So only we need to add ourselves, and yeah, this is fine. And now the sixth step of the task is we need to be sign in the Salesforce org using the Slack workspace. So to do that, we need to be go to Slack workspace, open up the preferences and select the Salesforce tab and click on sign in. So let's go back. Repeat this. Click on this. Go to the preferences. There should be a button here. Preferences. Salesforce. Yes, we can see the sign in button, and it will pop up another screen just to see, and we just need to be click on connect to Salesforce, and we just need to be fill up our org credential so that Salesforce can validate and make sure yes the org is connected successfully as per the configuration. So let's do it, and then it will just ask the confirmation you are allowing and granting access to the Salesforce for the third-party app. So that's okay, that is also fine. And once they have confirmed the detail, it will automatically come and validate the access, and it will auto refresh. So yes, let's wait. See, this is being approved. That means our org has been connected to the Slack. So by doing that, we are able to connect our Salesforce to Slack. That means our task first has been done. So that is fine. Let's go to the task 2. Okay, this was the task 2. That is fine. Now we need to be proceed with the task 3, which we have to be use our agent to Slack. That means let's create a agent. So to do that, again we need to go to the Salesforce setup, search the agent, go to the agent for agents, enable the feature so that we can create an agent into the org and refresh the page. And once it is there, we just need to use this to create a agent. So click on this. Now we can use the Google Split View feature again just to save our time to make it faster. So we have click on the new. We need to use the Slack custom inside agent. We need to be confirmed these are by default. General FAQ, CRM and general Slack and create executive. That is fine. Click on next. Copy the agent name, remove the API name and paste the agent name, so it will have API name automatically. Description and all everything we can leave it. We just need to fill the company detail and just next and create the agent. Now once this is being activated, now once this is being created, we just need to be active our agent. If we are getting some error, so we just need to be ignore it and work with that task. So let it done, activate it, click on active, ignore inactive. Yes, now they are asking us to go through with this to understand the topic and the relative action. Okay, they have a huge list of action for the challenge. Now the next step is coming to connect an agent to the Slack. So let's go and connect our agent to the Slack. So again we need to go to the agent under the agent studio, then we need to cars agent, and then we need to have a connection. So we need to go to the Slack admin, I guess, Slack connection. So yes, we are having here, there we have Agentforce, we don't have here, no worries. So what we can do, Slack in Finder, Agent Studio. Okay, yes, under the same agent we need to go to connections. Here we need to click on the connection and use this as a API, and then just name it as a Slack and Slack. We can use either one and third. So then we just need to be safe. This is going to be initiate our connection from Salesforce to Slack for an agent. Then also we need to go to agent access. So this I can't do it from this screen. We need to go to back, and then we need to click on the agent name. That is fine. Here we have agent access, and here we just need to be assigned system administrator profile by going to the profile tab, then just search admin and select and add it. This is going to be allow to use all system administrator agent via the Slack, and there should be no such issue. We are good with that. Now we need to perform this step. So to do that, I would be going this and then just refresh the view. We are able to see the agent into the Slack, and we just need to be review, allow, and add to the workspace. Review, allow, whatever they are asking, we just need to be say allow, and then just click add to one workspace which we on it. Okay, so here we can see active agent is being good. Now surface your agent in the Slack. So let's go to the Slack and refresh it to have the Agentforce action or something else. So yeah, we can see Agentforce is also coming into our sidebar. That means we are good with all of the access. And if we are not seeing, we just need to be perform this step, but we are able to see, so we don't need to be worry about it. And then they have asked to add the agent to the top right corner by going to workspace, navigation, and permission. So go to the preference, navigation, and this we need to be checked. So in this way we will be able to see agent at the top right corner of our Slack. So we have also completed step 4 as well. Let's proceed with the step 5, which is going to be the actual one. Use the agent to create customer briefing in the canvas. So we just need to be copy and paste this, and we need to be work by clicking on the agent either from here or here, and then just ask the concern whichever they have asked us to do. Now let's see what it is going to be identify for us. Okay, this created a canvas, so let's go and see the details. Yes, we can see they have created the customer brief with the account detail, related record like job and all. Cool. Again, we need to add this, so it will get and add the vehicle definition and other detail owned by the same customer into the same canvas. And if it is asking anything, we just need to be say yes or confirm, so it should go and update the details. Okay, and it should just close the task by saying your canvas has been updated. Do you need to review it or not? It seems temporary issue our side. Additionally, try again. Okay, try again. Sometime it happens. Can I proceed? Yes, you can proceed. Or if it is not working with confirmation, we can just say yes. Okay, so no worries, it is always failing. So what I can do, I can ask this, and instead of confirming, I would like to say yes and see what it is going to do. Okay, it always failing, so no problem. We can proceed with the next step to see does it will create any issue with our challenge or not. Okay, so this is the step 6. I believe this will be the last step for the challenge. So we need to be go to the agent 4 and reschedule service. We need to create a channel and add the agent to the channel. Okay, let's create a channel by going to home under the channel section, and then just save, make it public, no worries. And I think I can skip it for now, and then from the tabs, which is here, we are not seeing agent, so just edit the tabs, and here we can see agent, and we need to add the cow cars agent into the channel. So yes, we can see now agent is enabled for the channel. We need to be work with like this. We are going to list out the latest work, then we are going to be see some detail, and we are going to be update the thing. So let's copy and click on this and paste, and let's see what it is going to be do. And once it is there, okay, and once it is there, we need to be copy the another prompt, and we need to be replied in the thread instead of replying directly. Always try to be use the thread so that agent can understand what was the context and where they have get the detail. Always click share in the thread so other people can also see. Then again click on agent and ask the next thing. But we can also see what they bring us. So yes, they bring us the work order number with some details and with the due date. Now, what is the expected completion of service? I believe they will show the same. Okay, it should be 29 December. Then copy the next prompt. Canvas. Which work does not have specific time. Okay, no worries. Let's try. What is the expectation of completion for the service? They have this one. Okay, no worries. What we can do, we can ask them to see and look the service order. See, they bring up. So that means sometime they took time, but we just need to be retry and retry. It will bring the data. And now I am asking to change it to the 4th of January. And once it is done, we need to be confirmed, and let's see it is going to be updated or not. It is searching to make sure yes, they are able to find and update. So let's confirm and share it in the thread as well so other people can also see what is going on. And let's wait. Did they update it? I believe yes. Let's ask again. What is the, I'm not sure. Agent updated the date or not, but I can ask again to double confirm. Yes, it updated. That means it is fine. So now go to again agent and ask it what is the possible status of the service appointment. So let's see, does it is going to be identified with the schema or not. Yes, they are able to bring. So we just need to be asked. Always click on the agent or add mention agent to initiate a task for the agent. And we have asked them to change the status in progress. And let's see it is going to be do or not. Again, once it is done, we just need to be say confirm. First confirm, then share it in thread. Let's see. Once it is there, I would like to ask again. Show me the updated details. Just to verify detail has been updated or not, or we can also go to the record in the Salesforce to see this data has been updated or not. So yeah, we can see yes, in progress, and due date is also changed. That is fine. Now we have verified due date, we have verified status value. Okay, I think that's all what we were having in the challenge. So let's go and verify the challenge. So let's take it out as a from the split view. Okay, let's go and validate the challenge. Oh, I think it is going to be failed, so we need to be work on this. Okay, then go to the setup again. Used to go to user interface, enter to user interface. On this section, we need to go to down, again go to user interface, and then at the bottom under the setup section, we just need to be checked this enable SOAP API login and save it. Once it is saved, we need to go back to the challenge and click validate again and see how far it is going to be validate. Yeah, we are able to complete our challenge 4 as well with some minor issues, but not task wise, it's just a configuration wise. So yeah, we are able to do. So yeah, that's all for today. We'll catch you in the next challenge, which is challenge 5.